Here are 9 reasons you need to start eating more leeks. A close relative of onions and garlic, leeks have a mild onion-like flavor that works well in soups and a variety of other dishes. 1 cup of leeks, approximately 1 whole leek contains just 54 calories, so leeks add bulk to your meal to keep you feeling full, without significantly boosting your calorie intake. Leeks serve as excellent sources of vitamins, and also offer health benefits thanks to their phytonutrient content. Unfortunately, leeks have received less research attention than their fellow allium vegetables, especially garlic and onions, and for this reason, there is less documentation of their likely health benefits. Leeks can be a wonderful addition to many different kinds of soups or stews, but did you know that they are actually bursting with health benefits and healing properties? Vitamin A, not only for eyes. Adding leeks to your diet helps ensure that you meet your recommended daily intake of vitamin A. A single 1-cup serving of leeks boasts 1,484 international units of vitamin A, 64% of the daily intake for women and 49% for men, set by the Institute of Medicine. Getting enough vitamin A in your diet supports healthy blood cell development, including the growth of new red blood cells that transport oxygen, and white blood cells that fight infection. Vitamin A also helps your retinas, the tissues in your eyes that detect light and color, to function under low light conditions. Vitamin K for blood and bones. Leeks also provide a generous amount of vitamin K. Vitamin K benefits every tissue in your body, helping to regulate blood flow, while low vitamin K levels can induce bleeding, which can negatively affect your circulation. Getting enough vitamin K also activates osteocalcin, which is a protein essential for bone health. Leeks contain 42 micrograms of vitamin K per cup. This provides 47% of the daily vitamin K intake for women and 34% for men, set by the Institute of Medicine. Lutein and zeaxanthin protect your vision. Consume leeks as a source of lutein and zeaxanthin. These compounds contribute to healthy eyesight. They protect your eye tissues from oxidative damage, harmful oxidation of your DNA and cell membranes by filtering out harmful light rays as they enter your eye. The American Optometric Association also notes that lutein and zeaxanthin, when consumed in adequate amounts, protect you from cataracts and age-related macular degeneration (AMD). The AOA recommends 12 mg of lutein and zeaxanthin daily to reap these benefits, and each cup of leeks contains 1.7 mg, or 14% of this goal. Leeks ward off cancer. Leeks have much to offer in the way of good health and, like garlic, it's thought that much of their therapeutic effect comes from its sulfur-containing compounds, such as allicin. Allicin is not only antibacterial, antiviral and antifungal, but research has revealed that as allicin digests in your body, it produces sulfenic acid, a compound that neutralizes dangerous free radicals faster than any other known compound. Leeks are full of compounds known as allyl sulfides, which have been proven to modify specific pathways that are associated with tumor development. Consuming large amounts of allium vegetables, including leeks, has also been shown to reduce the risk of gastric cancer significantly, as well as potentially colorectal cancer. By eating more leeks, you'll be able to reduce the likelihood of a tumor developing. Cardiovascular support provided by leeks. Leeks contain important amounts of the flavonoid camphorol, which has repeatedly been shown to help protect our blood vessel linings from damage, including damage by overly reactive oxygen molecules and free radicals. Interestingly, one of the mechanisms involved in this blood vessel protection may involve increased production of nitric oxide (NO), a naturally occurring gas that helps to dilate and relax the blood vessels and decreases your risk of experiencing hypertension, as well as decreased production of that asymmetric dimethylarginine (ADMA), a substance that blocks production of NO. Research has shown that leeks are able to slightly lower your blood pressure, which can help stop platelets in your blood from clotting, thereby reducing your chances of having a heart attack. Leeks are also able to flush out homocysteine from your body, which is a chemical that can damage your cardiovascular health. Excessively high levels of homocysteine are a risk factor for many cardiovascular diseases. They lower the risk of chronic inflammatory diseases. Leeks are able to combat low-level inflammatory states like obesity, rheumatoid arthritis, and even diabetes, thanks to the large amounts of camphorol and polyphenol they contain. They can help you lose weight. If you're trying to shed some pounds, then you'd better start reaching for the leeks. This is because, in addition to their low calorific value, they also contain a considerable amount of fiber, which will help to boost your metabolism and keep you feeling full for longer. They contain plenty of antioxidants. Also present in leeks are impressive concentrations of powerful antioxidants known as polyphenols. These polyphenols play a direct role in protecting our blood vessels and blood cells from oxidative damage. The total polyphenol content (TPC) of leeks averages about 33 mg of gallic acid equivalents (GI) per 100 grams of fresh edible portion (FEP). These will help your body to fight against free radicals, thereby slowing down aging and reducing your chances of contracting a chronic illness. They protect pregnant mothers. Often overlooked in leeks is their important concentration of the B vitamin folate. Leeks should be on every pregnant woman's shopping list since they contain a bioactive form of folate that's known as 5-methyltetrahydrofolate or 5-MTHF. It is highly important for pregnant women to consume folate since it is key to preventing birth defects. Folate is present in leeks throughout the plant, including the full leaf portion, not only the lower leaf and bulb. While it's true that we still get about 50% more 5-MTHF from the bulb than the leaves, this distribution of folate throughout the plant makes leeks a cardioprotective food from top to bottom. Folate is a key B-complex vitamin for supporting our cardiovascular system because it helps keep our levels of homocysteine in proper balance. Tips for consuming more leeks. Leeks' mild flavor works well in vegetable-based dishes. Sauté thinly sliced leeks in olive oil and a small amount of vegetable broth, then garnish with chopped basil immediately before serving. Prepare a healthful but decadent breakfast by cooking leeks and chopped sweet potatoes in a cast-iron skillet, and then cracking an egg on top and broiling until it's set. Use leeks in crustless quiche, they pair particularly well with mushrooms and red peppers, or make homemade leek and potato soup for a hearty meal to warm you up in cool weather. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel. Be healthy. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Be healthy.